Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of cookwithrayo. In today's video I'm gonna be filming how to make this delicious tantalizing red velvet molten lava cake. Guys, this is the recipe you need for this coming Valentine. Actually, it's not a must to make it on Valentine Day because love is something you should add to your daily repertoire. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video, shall we? For my recipe, I'm gonna be using egg, baking powder, salt, vanilla powder, butter, flour, cocoa powder, sugar, milk, red food coloring, and some white chocolate. So check the description box for the full ingredients details. So next thing, I'm gonna go on and grate my chocolate. So once I'm done grating the chocolate, I'm gonna place the mixing bowl inside warm water on a low heat. Then I'm gonna add the grated chocolate and the butter, then stir it continuously till everything melts and combines together. So keep mixing till it's slightly cold, and when you feel like it's cold, then you're gonna add your egg. Then continue mixing on same direction, please. So after it's well combined, we are going to be adding our sugar, then continue mixing. So you're gonna keep mixing this until you have a creamy texture, just like so. So you're gonna be adding the milk bit by bit, but while I was adding mine, I realized the milk temperature is cold more than my batter, so I had to transfer it back into the warm water because we are in winter and the milk is cold. So you're gonna just place it back into the warm water, but it's not necessary if your temperature isn't cold. Then we're just gonna keep adding the milk bit by bit and let it all mix together. When I finish adding the milk, I take it out of the warm water. Then I added food coloring. Then in another bowl, I sieve all the dry ingredients together. Then I add it into my liquid ingredients. Guys, mix this well to combine, but we do not want to over mix this as well. So once you're done mixing it well, rub in your baking pan or whatever it is that you want to bake with. You can use your foil cups if you don't have this available. Then we're just gonna transfer our batter into the baking pan. By now you should have preheated your oven on 180 degree. So we're gonna be baking this for 8 minutes, maximum 10 minutes. Please don't exit the time. Make sure once you put it in the oven, you set your timer. So guys, while our cake is baking, I went ahead and prepared a little romantic table. Like, I don't know, but I think it makes sense a little bit, right? So you can put whatever the fabrics that you have available on the table. Then I put some wrapping paper or wrapping sheet inside my cup, then turn it over, put some floating candle above. Then this is little tiny coffee cups. Then I'm placing them some floating candles on inside it also. Then a plate, spoons, and fork for the dessert, because this is where we're gonna be placing our red velvet molten lava cake. So this is what we got, right? I tried, right? Okay, and here our cake is ready to serve. Guys, tell me why you are not going to prepare this for your baby. Like, you don't even have to break banks. You can just make something small in your home, and yeah, it's gonna make sense. Okay guys, if you like what you watch, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, watch my previous and future videos. Thank you so much. See you in another video. Until then, be healthy, be safe, and be happy. Happy Valentine in advance. Thank you.